Hey guys, I'm gonna do my presentation on should alcohol be illegal. So what is alcohol? Alcohol is a drug. It's classified as a depressant drug. And what depressant drugs do is slow you down overall. They slow down your thinking, your ability to make good decisions, and your movements, which is like your coordination and your balance. And it slows down your speech, it'll make you slur your words. And drinking alcohol can be life-threatening and dangerous. So alcohol is legal, I think, because it's very normalized. Like, you go to a family gathering or a party and you see alcohol there and you don't think twice about it. Like, it's just totally a normal thing. And it's also accepted by society. America has this drinking culture where a lot of people just drink and it's totally normal, and also it's not seen exactly as a drug. Like, a lot of people don't know or don't think it's a drug, and they also think that it's not as serious as cocaine or methamphetamine. So here's the list of the top 10 killer drugs, the drugs that kill the most people every year. Number 10 would be ketamine, 9 is buprenorphine, 8 is amphetamines, 7 diazepines, 6 illegal manufactured methamphetamine, 5 is tobacco, 4 barbiturates, 3 cocaine, 2 heroin, and number 1 is alcohol. So alcohol is the number 1 drug killer. And the reasons that someone can die from alcohol is liver or kidney damage, alcohol-related violence or drunk driving, alcohol poisoning, and alcohol withdrawal. And yes, there's such a thing as alcohol withdrawal. So now we're going to watch a video titled, "What are the long-term effects of alcohol abuse?"
Hello, my name is Alejandro Castillo, and I'm a licensed mental health counselor and substance abuse professional. What are the long-term effects of alcohol abuse? What is alcohol?
Alcohol is classified as a drug. It is a toxic substance that depresses the central nervous system and has the capacity to produce physical and behavioral dependency. It is the depressant action of alcohol that brings about the most commonly observed effects of drinking. The initial euphoric effect makes it appear to be a stimulant. However, this soon gives way to lethargy and a less active response as deeper structures of the brain are affected.
What are the effects of alcohol?
In small doses, alcohol leaves people feeling relaxed and pleasantly happy. At higher doses, alcohol can cause decreased awareness, judgment, coordination, and vision. At very high levels, it can lead to loss of motor function, stupor, unconsciousness, depressed respiration, and even death.
What are the long-term side effects of alcohol?
Long-term alcohol abuse can be very damaging to one's physical health. Health risks include cirrhosis, or the hardening of the liver, gastrointestinal problems, damage to the heart muscle, and impaired muscle functioning. Heavy drinkers often tend to miss meals or lack adequate diets and therefore suffer from nutritional imbalances and have an impaired immune system. Brain damage can also occur as the result of a vitamin B2 deficiency. A well-known condition, Korsakoff syndrome, is an amnesic disorder, which means that people find it difficult to remember past events and to learn new things.
What are the dangers of alcohol?
According to studies, alcohol is more dangerous than illegal drugs like heroin and crack cocaine. Experts have evaluated substances including alcohol, cocaine, heroin, ecstasy, and marijuana, ranking them based on how destructive they are to the individual who consumes them and society as a whole. Researchers have analyzed how addictive alcohol is and how it harms the human body. In addition to other criteria like environmental damage caused by alcohol, its role in breaking up families and its economic costs, such as healthcare, social services, and prison.
So just to kind of go off of what the video said, here's a list of alcohol's effects on the brain and body. And as you can see, there's a lot of things that can happen. And this isn't even a full list of all the possibilities. Just to name off a couple, there's high blood pressure, heart disease. There can be cancer that's in a lot of different places of the body. Depression, anxiety, alcoholism, and injuries and violence that can happen just from being under the influence of alcohol. And there's alcohol poisoning, and when a mother consumes alcohol during pregnancy, there can be miscarriages and fetal alcohol syndrome. So what fetal alcohol syndrome is, it's when the mother consumes alcohol during pregnancy, and it can cause body and face deformities for the child. It can also cause issues with the central nervous system and brain, such as poor memory, learning disorders, and behavioral problems. And there's no known cure for fetal alcohol syndrome. So here's some pictures of fetal alcohol syndrome facial deformities. Just gonna zoom in on this one picture. So fetal alcohol syndrome can cause a thin upper lip, a smooth philtrum, which would be the lines below the nose and above the lip, and a flat mid-face, a short upward nose, prominent epithelial folds, which is going to be this area right beneath the eyebrows that'll cause beneath the eyebrows to come more outwards, and there's going to be a low nasal bridge right here. There's some more pictures of fetal alcohol syndrome facial deformities. So legalizing alcohol would give people a reason to avoid consuming alcohol, such as jail time or fines, and it would cause more difficulty for minors to gain access to alcohol because, obviously they need to ask their older friends to get it for them, and it would be more difficult for their older friends to get it in the first place. Also, I'm sure there's a lot of law-abiding citizens who consume alcohol, and if it was illegal, they wouldn't consume alcohol just because of the fact that it was illegal. So yeah, that's it.